Hey guys, welcome to my channel Life School. We're talking about how to be more assertive without being rude. So let's start. Ever have trouble saying what you want without coming on too strong or worse, being rude? You're not the only one. Assertiveness is one of the strongest tools for communication, but it's not always clear how to know whether you're sounding confident or coming off as rude. Today, we're diving into how to become more assertive without stepping on toes. Let's get into it. First things first, what is assertiveness? Assertiveness means expressing your thoughts, needs, and boundaries in a clear, honest, and respectful way. It's not about dominating a conversation. It's about valuing yourself and others at the same time. Tip number 1. Use I statements instead of you accusations. Rather than saying, "You never listen to me," say, "I feel unheard when I'm interrupted." This turns the tone from blame to conversation. It demonstrates you're owning your feelings, and that creates respect. Tip 2. Practice saying no, guilt-free. Being assertive is about honoring your boundaries. You can say, "I'd love to help, but I'm booked solid now." Or, "I'm not comfortable with that, but thanks for respecting my decision." Kind, clear, and respectful. That's assertiveness in action. Tip 3. Match your body language with your words. Avoid crossing your arms, looking down, or fidgeting. Instead, stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak calmly. You'd be surprised how much confidence your posture can radiate. Tip 4. Don't wait until you're frustrated to set a boundary. Speak up early. For example, "I like to maintain a separation between work time and personal time, so I won't be responding to emails after 6. The earlier you establish boundaries, the less tension accumulates, and the more civil the discussion remains. Tip 5. Avoid over-apologizing. You don't have to apologize for having a need, an opinion, or a boundary. Rather than, "Sorry to bother you," say, "Do you have a moment?" Assertiveness is about being confident and showing up, not shrinking yourself down. Bonus tip. Practice in low-stakes situations. Need to flex your assertiveness muscle? Start small. Have the barista remake your coffee order. Say something in a relaxed group text. These small moments of practice pave the way for the big ones. Assertiveness is not an innate thing. It's a skill that can be acquired. And with practice, you can stand up for yourself without burning your bridges. If you liked this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs to see it. And remember, your voice counts. Use it.